Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share files and folders externally in SharePoint and OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your cloud-stored files and folders that you need to share with external collaborators or team members. After signing in, wait a moment for the login process to complete. You'll then be automatically directed to your OneDrive dashboard, which serves as your main workspace for managing all your files. This is where you can access, organize, and share everything stored in your cloud. Now, to begin sharing your files and folders externally, look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on My Files to open up your complete file directory. This section displays all the files and folders you currently have stored in your OneDrive cloud storage, making it easy to locate exactly what you need to share. From here, browse through your files and simply select the specific file or folder you wish to share with external recipients. Click on it once to select it, and you'll immediately notice an action menu appearing at the top portion of your screen. This menu contains all the different options you can perform on your selected item. From the various options that appear in this action menu, locate and click on the Share button. This will trigger a share window to pop up on your screen, presenting you with multiple sharing options to choose from. This window is your control center for managing how and with whom you share your content. In the Share window, you'll see a field at the top where you can directly add the recipient's email address. If the person you're sharing with is within your Microsoft organization, you can also search for their contact information here, making internal sharing even more seamless. This method allows you to send a direct invitation to view or edit your files. Alternatively, if you prefer a more flexible approach, you can click on the Copy Link option instead. This generates a shareable link that you can send to your colleagues, external partners, or anyone else through email, messaging apps, or any other communication channel you prefer. This option is particularly useful when sharing with multiple people or external contacts outside your organization. Once you've either entered the recipient's email address or copied the link, simply click on Send to complete the sharing process. Your file or folder is now shared externally, and the recipients will receive access according to the permissions you've set. They'll be able to view, download, or edit the content based on what you've allowed. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your files and folders externally using OneDrive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.